Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have Discord and developer mode enabled. Next, create an application in the developer portal and add a bot user. That gives you a bot token. Once done, copy the token and store it securely. Think password manager, because you'll need it immediately. Now invite the bot to your server using the OAuth2 URL with correct scopes and permissions. Make sure to grant at least send messages and read message history, so the bot can interact and respond in channels. Once the bot is invited, set up hosting and runtime. Install Node.js or Python and add Discord, JS or Discord, Py libraries so the bot can talk to Discord's gateway. Then implement a minimal handler. Log in with the token, listen for message events, and parse messages for commands or triggers. Make sure to throttle responses and respect rate limits, otherwise Discord will disconnect you. Test locally with a dev channel. Iterate on intents and permissions, and add simple logging so you can follow what the bot receives. Finish by integrating the chatbot engine or external API, handling conversation context, and trimming long histories to keep responses fast. Deploy to a stable host and use a process manager so the bot restarts automatically. Store the token and keys as environment variables, not in code. If something breaks, review logs first. Invalid token errors, missing intents, or rate limit responses are common culprits. Make sure gateway intents match your code, refresh the token if revoked, and rerun to confirm the bot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.